my glasses. Oh my God, this is a boring background. Really want to get a different background. If anybody knows where I could get some sort of a background that I can put on the wall that you can peel off, you know, something that won't wreck the paint. I thought there was such a thing as those kind of backgrounds, and I don't know where they are. If anybody knows, let me know. I would love to know where I could find something that I can put on the wall that maybe would peel off or make it look a bit better. I don't want to hang like some sheet or tacky thing behind me. I don't want to do that. Welcome to the video. I'm just going to share this actually on my page. Oh, here we go. Hello. Talking about energy, your inner energy. Okay, right now. Good. Welcome. Okay, well, I was doing I did a video in Women Creating Healthy Lives. So if you're women over 40, go be part of my Facebook community. There's over, 1,600 women in there now. And I am doing a 5-day experience this week, which is all free. It is about clean food and clean energy. We just had our first live video tonight, so it's still up there. It will be saved in the group. You can always watch it. And I'm going to be doing the rest throughout the whole week, through the 5 days till Friday. And we were talking about, because I called it clean food, clean energy. And so I got people to kind of guess what clean food means to them. So everybody put their responses, and most people were pretty good. Hi, Ed. And then I got people to talk about energy, clean energy, and what does that mean to you? And really, a lot of people didn't quite understand what I meant by clean energy. And the thing is that in my interpretation, so because I work a lot on managing my energy, and so when we talk about it in a certain way, like managing your energy, and it's not just whether you feel awake or energetic, it is about your emotions and how you handle things in life. So emotions can come up, right? We can feel anger, frustration, fear, and then we react in a certain way. Also, that energy that's caused from the emotion that you're feeling affects so many others. Hi, Cora, I'm talking about the same topic. The energy you get from the emotion or from whatever happens, so you react to whatever happened to you in life, whatever happens to you in that moment often, we react in a certain way, right? So that affects our energy. So we could be having a really good, happy day, everything's wonderful, and then someone says something wrong to you, and it just like, you feel, right, this rage inside, or you feel disappointed, or you feel sad, or you feel embarrassed. I mean, it can mean anything, right? What anybody says to you. So we take on what they said, and we attach it to a feeling. And therefore, it changes our energy. So do you see what I mean? It changes our energy. The thing is that we allow that to happen. We allow it to happen. And oh my God, I mean, I did. I was always had anger problems, and I was always kind of very negative, talk very negatively about things. But we allow that, right? And it's something that I've been so consciously working on for a lot of years, and I'm definitely more talking about it now. I do all my programs. We do mindset and talk about this. And I wanted to start bringing it out to more people because it made a huge impact in my life, is focusing on what I call cleaning your energy, or clean energy. It doesn't mean that emotions are wrong. So fear is not wrong. Sadness is not wrong. Anger is not wrong. None of those emotions are wrong. It's how we label them and how they make us feel about ourselves, right? So if you're feeling fear or anger or disappointment, automatically it makes you feel not good about yourself. And so then what happens is it sets up self-sabotage things, or you reach out like addiction, right? people reach out for something that all of a sudden is going to make them feel better in the moment because they don't want to feel the way that emotion is making them feel about themselves. So people in your environment, they can say something to you and they may not mean it that way, because this has happened to me. I know, because that's why I was focusing on it. They may say something to you and you take it, it triggers something in you because of childhood or whatever. So you take it in this way, it's like you start feeling so bad about yourself, right? And it brings you in like a downward spiral. And when I was talking to the women, what I also mean is for a lot of women, when there's the emotional eating, we have self-sabotage, guys too, whatever, you know, on again, off again, not staying on track, you know, it's also because of the way you feel about yourself and how you're letting the people, the energy and the situation that's around you affect you. So it affects your energy. So it changes our mood, our state, our way of being. That's what I mean by clean energy. We allow it because we take it in. So it's like we absorb the energy that's coming out at us. Emotions have energy, words have energy. Because you know, right? Like to a little kid, if someone was yelling at them and telling them they were no good, the person isn't physically hurting them, but those words make them feel certain ways about themselves. Very strong and powerful energy. They soak it in and take it in as truth, and it causes them to believe that thing about themselves, right? And so it's so powerful when you really learn and you begin to be conscious of what is affecting your energy, knowing that, okay, I'm allowing this negative person or this negative situation or what you see as negative, it's all how we view it, I'm letting it make me feel this way. I'm reacting in this way because of the way that thing or that person, whatever, made me feel, which in reality, we allowed it, right? Because we didn't stop it or we didn't see it for what it was. And so the way you can kind of help yourself is like to go, oh, that person said something. It's making me feel this way right away. I was fine a few minutes ago, right? So I let my energy, we say that, we talk about ourselves too, my energy is really down. Oh my God, I'm down, really low energy today, but sometimes we also mean very down, like down in the dumps, not feeling good, right? We allow that because it begins a thought pattern in our head, and we begin to think thoughts that take us further down the spiral, right? Like, oh my God, I must not be good. He's really right. I'm not good. I failed so many times. I guess I can't do this. There's something wrong with me, right? Right? So then we set up our whole body, the energy throughout our whole body is like this, not good enough, not worthy. And often that's why people who think that about themselves get taken advantage of. It's because they have that energy. That energy goes out into the world. Other people feel it, sense the weakness, sense that they can almost like, so you get the empaths and you get the narcissists, right? People can sense that somebody is that down on themselves. So it's all energy. It's all energy. So the energy, when you start to pay more attention about the energy you're allowing in your space and how you're allowing it to affect your emotions and how you feel during the day and the words you say about yourself and the things you think about yourself, that's where it's really powerful. That is so powerful, because then you begin to see, oh, it's not like just all of a sudden you're like, my God, I was so good this morning. Now all of a sudden I'm feeling stressed, depressed, really upset. There always is a reason for that. It's just that we live on autopilot and we don't focus. We don't notice when those things happen and it switches, right? So again, when we become more conscious and we live consciously and we start to know I can control my energy, I can actually continue with a really good positive energy throughout the whole day, because I'm the one who can be fully in control of my energy. I don't have to let all this other stuff get to me. And you know that because you can have two people in the same exact environment, with the same stress, with the same situation, coming at both of them equally, and one will react in a totally different way than the other person. So you know it's not the situation, It's how they took it in, right? So that's what I mean about clean energy. And so if you want to join us for the 5-day experience, Clean Food, Clean Energy, I will post a link below. And it takes place in my Facebook community. It's for women over 40. Sorry, guys, but it's for women over 40, okay? And it's in Women Creating Healthy Lives. And that's what I'm going to be. We're going to kind of do this 5-day journey and bring awareness about your energy, what you're allowing into your life. And it's kind of like we need to stop being the victims and stop thinking that we have no control. So it's like, this person did this, so I had to react like this. This is happening in my life, therefore I am, right? Those things are what keep you stuck, what keep you not getting results, what keep you in this emotional eating pattern, what keep you in a bad relationships, what keep you in a job you hate, that keep you living a life that's small and that you don't even want, that keeps you in fear so that you don't take chances and actually, do something you really do want to do in life, right? It's raising these awarenesses of like, oh my God, I am allowing that other people's energy and all these other energies to affect my state. And it's making me think, feel, and believe these things about myself that aren't good, right? That are keeping you small. So that is kind of what we're talking about this week. And I'm also going to continue this conversation, this kind of work for sure in my new program, Busting Stress, to better balance your hormones. It's busting stress, moving through resistance, stopping the self-sabotage and emotional eating, all that stuff, and bringing in more self-care and making time for you and putting you as a priority. It's only $97 right now. It runs 18 days. It's going up to $147 on Friday, May 17th. So that program is also available, dianamarchand.com/busting, BUSTING -stress. Check it out. Stress, so many negative effects on your body. I have it written out on that page. You can read all the negative effects it has on your body and all the wonderful things that'll happen when you begin to actually start decreasing stress in your life. And then also talk a lot about how we react to things and how we let other people's energy into our energy and affect our energy. That's what I'm talking about in this program too. So if you kind of like this conversation, if you're like, oh my God, I could use that, check out that program. And you can also join us in my 5-day free experience in Women Creating Healthy Lives. I did a video there tonight, so you can already go in there and watch the whole video. It's almost an hour. All right. Much love to you, everybody. Comment below or say hello so you will see more of my videos if you desire to. All right. Bye-bye.